Hey everybody, it's Larry Lancaster, founder of Zebrium. Today I'm going to show you the Overview tab. So when you first log in, this is where you land. Um, First thing you'll notice is that we have a time range that's constraining everything we see here. And right here it spells it out. That's today from midnight to 9:48 p.m. This particular account that I've logged into is sort of our test system. So it keeps a lot of traffic and it's pretty busy with all kinds of stuff going on. So let's take a look at these sort of touch point numbers we surface. First is how many incidents did we log today. We had 11 incidents today, down 64% from yesterday. Um, you'll also see sort of how much log data we've collected today, and then percent change from yesterday. Same thing with metrics data, points per minute, and absolute. So now if we take a look down here, you'll see CPU and memory. So you may remember that we're collecting metrics as well as logs using a Prometheus scraper that we forked. So what you'll see here is sort of an overall for each host. What is the average CPU utilization and memory utilization throughout the day at the minutely level, and that gets surfaced right here. So just at a glance, you can see if there's anything interesting going on there, what your overall utilization is, and you can drill down into metrics from here if you click on that. Down below, we have some interesting features pulled out of the log data. And so this one here is actually my favorite. So what you notice here is on a log scale, we have the error count per hour. But what I really like is you can also see right here in this yellow portion here, you can see this corresponds to the anomalies that are a subset of those errors. So the intersection of errors and anomalies. So actually, if I click on that, I'll be taken into the log view. And you can see here I have a cross filter going with both anomalies and errors. So events that are both anomalies and errors are what I'm seeing in this view. And what I find is that if I'm just looking to sort of go through and try to get a sense of anything weird going on in a particular area of time, even if there may not be an incident created, this is a great way to do it. So let me just jump back to the Overview tab, and of course, every time you come back in here, it's gonna refresh with the latest data. So last thing I wanted to show is this top events by severity. So some people really like this. They use it sort of as a laundry list of things to sort of health check. So down here we have sort of anomalies. And then here we have sort of the severity view of event types. What's interesting here from a Zebrium perspective is you may know that what Zebrium does is for every event that we get, we associate an event type with it. And we sort of have a table on the back end corresponding to that event type with a column for each parameter and so on. And so what you're seeing is what event type was, in this case, had severity error and occurred 468,000 times. And so each event type has a name. So now I can kind of manage these events not by text, but by their actual name. And if I click on one of these, it'll take me in the log view to look at them. And then lastly, down here under event types, we have anomalies. And so anomalous event types. And so what this is going to show me is again, sort of the name of the event type that constituted anomalies throughout today. So again, if I click this, it'll take me into the logs view, and I can drill down and take a look at those anomalies. So at a high level, that's how you get a quick overview of your system. Thanks a lot for watching.